So today at CVS, they have some good deals on household items. You see the Scott tissue. There you see the dryer sheets, and that's the Downy Unstoppables. There's the Bounce, the Gain, the Snuggle, the Gain. They had so much stuff on sale. A lot of the household things were on sale. And even though they are still expensive, you see the signs to 20% off. And then some things were even 50% off if you buy another one. Okay, and there they have the plug-ins. That looks like a good one right there. And they can really be expensive. You see the prices there? But see, some they put down to $3.99, some $5.99. There's the Febreze Air Mist. And they had the ice cream on sale. It was 50% off if you buy another one. And so this was a really good day to shop. CVS.